Hello, my friends.
Hey, good morning, everybody.
We are going on a boat ride this morning.
We are. We got Mac in the back, and we're going to do a thing called the Twisties Run. And it's a river kind of up near Crystal River that goes all the way over to Dunellen, Florida, where Rainbow River is. And apparently the river is very twisty.
And we're going to actually meet a few other Gheenoe owners.
Yes, people who have done the run a lot and say it's like their favorite thing to do.
And they're going to show us the ropes because we've never done it before, but we've been wanting to for a long time.
Right. So come along with us. The weather's beautiful and it should be a great day.
Let's go. All right, we're getting ready to take off, and we have 5 boats here today. Yep. So perfect amount to stay together, and excited. This river is crazy. There's these cypress stumps that are just like barely sticking out of the water, so we have to be really careful and stay within the in the channel. All right, we've determined that we are the slow ones in this group. We're going about, what, 25 and a half?
26, yeah.
Almost 26. And supposedly this is gonna be the fun part. So this is the twisty portion. Withlacoochee River, and we are idle speed only. Look at some of these houses though. Amazing. is the life.
Got it pretty nice.
He has it. Yes, you're gonna pull him along. That's awesome.
Drive so I can be back there.
All right, we found a place to pull off, and we're getting out of the water and just hanging out for a little bit.
Well, that was fantastic.
That was.
So we found a place along the Rainbow River on the bank. It was kind of rocky, so my feet hurt a little bit.
But we were in a couple feet of water, and we were able to get out of the boat.
Yeah,
which
it was
nice.
shaded and just a great time.
Water's nice and cool.
Right, so we've got about a 30-minute or so idle back to the main river, and then about a 45-minute Twisties run back to the boat ramp.
Yes, let's go. It's almost 4 o'clock. We need to get going.
Almost dinner time. Early bird special is calling.
All right, we are home from the Twisties run.
We are, and it was a blast.
It was so much fun.
Oh my gosh. Driving the boat, Amy had fun, I had more fun. Because I was driving the boat, and I was turning the wheel. It was really cool.
And we had some time on in the water,
Yeah.
which is always my favorite thing.
Yeah, Rainbow River is also beautiful. So it was good. There was only 5 boats, as you saw, so it wasn't too big a crowd. It was
We
really
were
nice.
the slowest, though.
Yeah, Mac was slow. Mac might need a
New motor.
New motor. A little more horsepower.
So another day for that.
Yes.
But if you like this adventure, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Bloop, bloop.
And we'll catch you on our next adventure.
Thanks, guys. Take
Have
care.
a glorious day.